Welcome to this quick guide on how to get started with Flot AI, your reliable partner for enhancing your workflow. Flot AI makes boosting your productivity straightforward, even if you're a complete beginner. First, navigate to the Flot AI website and click on the Get Started button to begin your journey. Next, you'll choose a plan that best fits your needs, whether it's for personal use or a small team. Consider factors like features, usage limits, and integrations when making your selection. After selecting your plan, you'll register a new account or log in with an existing one. Once your account is set up, you'll gain access to the intuitive Flot AI dashboard. Here, you can manage your projects, access AI tools, and customize your settings. The dashboard provides a centralized hub for all your AI-powered needs, designed for ease of use. With Flot AI, you have everything you need to streamline your tasks and grow your efficiency successfully. Start using Flot AI today and unlock your digital potential.